Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Yono SBI app for the first time. To begin, download the Yono SBI application from your device's official app store. Once installed, you will need to register using either your existing SBI internet banking credentials or your ATM card details. After successful registration, create a secure 6-digit MPIN. This MPIN will allow for quick and convenient logins, making your banking experience much smoother and faster. Once you are logged in, you can easily navigate through the Yono SBI app's many features. You will find your account summary, showing current balances and recent transactions, right on the dashboard. The app provides access to a wide range of banking services, including seamless fund transfers and efficient bill payments. A particularly useful feature is Yono Cash, which allows you to make cardless ATM withdrawals, offering great flexibility and security for your cash needs. The Yono SBI app empowers you to perform essential banking transactions with ease. You can initiate fund transfers to other SBI accounts or even to accounts in different banks almost instantly. Beyond transfers, the app allows you to conveniently pay utility bills, recharge your mobile, and manage various investments. Furthermore, you can apply for different types of loans, open new savings accounts, or update your personal details directly through the application, saving you valuable time. Maintaining the security of your Yono SBI account is paramount. Always remember to log out completely after you have finished your banking activities to protect your information. It is also a good practice to change your 6-digit MPIN regularly, perhaps every 3 to 6 months, to ensure strong account protection. Should you encounter any issues or require assistance, SBI customer support is readily available to help you with any technical or service-related queries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.